I'm gonna let out some anger tonight. Look, bopping and socking, these niggas always rocking when they ticking and topping. These niggas time be stopping. I mean, why you gon' mess with the crime if you cannot never even do the time? Why you shoot at me, nigga? I don't even know you, and yes, I'm from the hood, but that don't mean you gotta do what you supposed to. And niggas always acting fake. No wonder why I keep my own sake. I'm feeling super unliked right now, so I'm finna tell y'all how I feel. This stuff is getting real. What is the world coming to? Let me know how you feel. I mean, niggas killing, niggas stealing, niggas rapping, niggas trapping, but some of the good kids acting like they acting. But I know real from fake, so tell me what you gonna do. In God's sake, I mean, talking about how you got money and stuff. Nigga, you are just a bluff. You say enough for me to feel. Nigga, come on, just be real. You ain't my homie. You using me for my home, for the task, for the show, and for the freaking throne. Nigga, what you talking about? I rap all day, and you just be walking out the bank. But I still got more money, more rhymes, more time, more killing, acting. Niggas always think I'm reeling, but I'm really acting. Wait, no, I'm serious. These niggas always tryna play me so delirious. They always tryna fight me for no reason, but these niggas can't catch up to me no season, so I'm just gonna let them back, leave them like that. This freestyle is superficial. These niggas want the gat, they wanna pull out the gat, then back to back when I swinging it back. These niggas be like that, nigga fly swavy. Hey, you little punk, but best believe $100, I bet you won't run up. Nigga, how you feel today? Put my cousin in the grave. Feeling like I'm shooting, and I'm feeling like you niggas is so ruthless. Put your toothless, killing niggas off. You niggas soft. Looked in the face of the devil and took his mask off. Cause I'm Jesus' son, and I ride for it. This team, yeah, I'ma die for it. Yeah. And I just wanted to let y'all know how I feel. Nothing serious. And that's it.